Hey y'all, if you've got a mini fridge and it's kind of frosted, you can see here the little built-in freezer area is completely frozen. It's got a block of ice. What can you do to expedite resolving the issue? So what I've done, I've taken everything out of this, I've turned it off, and I'm going to thoroughly clean it as well. But to accelerate the removal of the ice, I'm going to do something really simple. You got it. Now obviously I won't hold it on it, but I'll put it close enough to where the hot air can start to melt the ice. That ice will drip into this drawer that I've opened, and once I'm able to remove the ice, then I can thoroughly clean the inside of the mini fridge and it'll be just like new. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to like this video. Like the video. If it really helped you, you can feel free to super thanks by clicking the thanks icon below this video. Again, I'm an independent YouTube channel, so it's viewers like you and your support that enables me to continue to grow. Again, you don't have to super thanks, but if you do, that's awesome. At a minimum, a like and a subscription. Oh yeah. Thanks for your viewership and best of luck. If you've got a similar issue, hope this helps you too. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day. And you can see now I've melted enough ice to get in here, and look at that. It's just a solid brick of ice, man. This is gonna take a while to melt all of this. So probably what I'm gonna do is leave the door open and let it, just in the air temperature of the room, slowly start to melt. And obviously I've got that down there to catch the water because I don't want to flood my basement. But I may, after the hairdryer, I don't want to wear the hairdryer out, but in the near future, I'll probably use the hairdryer a little bit more and melt the rest of this. And now I pulled it out from underneath the counter of the bar, and you can see I've still got a ton of ice in here, a ton, but I've leaned it back. So what I'm gonna do is continue the process. This has been unplugged, it's leaned back, so what's gonna happen, that water's gonna collect as it melts down here, and then I can use the towel to sponge it out and dump it in a sink. So it's kind of a slow process, but to do things right, this is the way to do it. Also, you've noticed I've removed all the racks. I'm cleaning those in the kitchen sink with a dish soap. So this is gonna be not just a defrosting of the mini fridge, but also a deep cleaning of the mini fridge. So now I've melted quite a bit. You can see, got a lot to go, but I've melted quite a bit, and there's this thick layer of water. So I'm going to use a cup, scoop that out, and then of course melt more, and just repeat this process until I've got it all melted, all the water scooped out, and then I'll clean my mini fridge. So here's the finished product. You can see there's no ice in there. I thoroughly cleaned everything. I put my cheap soda and my good beer in here, and then I got everything cleaned down to all these pieces. I took these pieces out and cleaned them in the sink with dish soap and water. Everything is spotless, man. So that is how to resolve a frozen freezer issue in a mini fridge, and then also how to clean it. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.